How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a double jump in Geometry Dash. So I'm going to open up this level right here that we are about to edit, and to simply customize or make your double jump, you then want to head over to this specific category, and then we are going to place this function right here, or this orb. So before we do that, let me just go ahead and customize my level just to show you how powerful this tool is. So let's then go ahead and place this accordingly depending on our level. So I wanted to go something like this, where my character will progressively jump until it reaches this point right here. So let's just add some additional spikes in order to customize our level more. And if I go ahead and play the level, it should go ahead and look something like this, where your character will be able to double jump only if you are on that specific area. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate it more on this straight path right here. And so I will not be able to double jump if I did not press the jump button. I can only initiate the double jump if I actually pressed my jump key right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.